Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I have a very exciting business. This business has made $300,000 in a week. Okay. We're going to be studying what this business is. What is it doing? How is it generating so much revenue? And what can we learn from this to put inside our own dropshipping businesses? Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. When I find like cool stores like this, like genuinely cool stores, I get super excited because I can't wait to dissect it with you guys, show you guys what this business is and just get into it, right? So this is the store. Actually, let me open a few more pages that they're testing. This is one of their main pages that they're testing. And what is this? Okay, so it is the 5 reasons why autism parents love Ella Ola Kids unflavored multivitamin. Okay, so there is a lot to unpack here. Okay, so it's a kids multivitamin. It's in a powder form, so you can sprinkle it into your whatever you're eating. Okay, and the thing is, it is unflavored, right? So you can just put it on in what they're eating and they get all of their multivitamins. Now, this product solves a very unique problem. Okay. They help your kids get more vitamins and minerals in because their regular diet, and specifically in America, this is an issue where the diet is so, most people would say it's not a balanced diet. It's chicken tenders and nuggets and burgers and French fries and stuff like that. It's not a balanced diet, right? And so this helps you get your multivitamins in without thinking about it. There was another business. It's called First Day. They're both following the same playbook to hit 1 million. So it's a very proven business model. So number one, the multivitamin niche for kids. It's incredible, okay? Because if I go to here, okay, let's look at how much they're selling. So 1 to 3 year olds and 4+ year olds. So let's go to the 1 to 3 year old, okay? It's $39 for a box, okay? And if I go to Alibaba, I'm going to open up Alibaba and I'm going to show you the supplier, okay? Kids multivitamin, kids multivitamin unflavored. Give me a second. It's a powder form, right? So I gotta get the powder as well. So I actually ended up doing a quick chat GPT and I ended up finding a list of different people that will be able to produce this type of supplement for us. Now, the reason I did that is because I know that this supplement, it's $39.90. They're selling it for $39, but the cost is under $5. Okay. It's a huge profit potential for this particular product. Okay. So I want to go back and start reading some of the stuff that we were seeing, right? Inside of there. Where is it? We were looking at suppliers here. Where's that original page? Okay. So this is so great because first off is the autism niche, right? So obviously with kids that are special needs, who have autism, who have issues like this, it's difficult to get them to eat foods. And it's difficult to get them to get their multivitamins. And so just using that as the first thing that they read when someone goes ahead and begins to purchase this product is amazing. What I'm seeing from their ads, guys, they're mostly only running 2 types of pages. They're either running this page or this page. Okay, so I think this page is going to people that are unaware of the product, and they're running this page to people that are a little bit more aware. Okay, I'm going to focus on this page where essentially when you look at an ad for their product, you're taken to this page, what we like to call an article style page, that goes ahead and talks about and educates the person on what the product is. And this is such great education, right? 5 reasons why autism parents love the unflavored multivitamin. My son is 5, has autism. We tried so many, and these are the only one he doesn't notice or taste. Huge selling point right there. Make sure that your kids have the right multivitamin. So What I want you guys to think about is, number one, think about the problem being solved. Huge, massive problem. The bigger the problem, the bigger the check, right? That's number one. Number two is the way that it's being positioned as well, right? More like they won't even notice that they're getting healthy, which is such an important angle if you think about it. Okay. So what your kids need but aren't getting enough of, right? They're saying that it's extremely tough to get kids with sensory issues to try new foods. Okay. If a kid has a sensory issue, they're not going to adapt to new smells, tastes, colors, and textures. Okay. This is the easiest way to give your kids a complete nutrition because you just mix it with what they're already having. It's tasteless, it's flavorless, and it's colorless. So you just mix it. And what are you giving your kids? Everything. Okay. Eye health, appetite boost, cell development, brain development, healthy bones, focus, everything. Okay. So, one more thing that I want to point to you guys is look at how they've not put all of this into the headline. They're not saying, hey, use this for better energy, boost your appetite, make your focus better, and cell development. That's too much to put into, and that's what a lot of people try to do, is try to position their product as the best solution for everything, versus just going ahead and saying, man, these are the 5 reasons why, versus just going ahead and positioning for the main thing, the main issue. The main problem is the kids aren't just getting their multivitamins in. They're not eating healthier. And that's the main positioning statement. And under that, there are multiple sub-benefits. So a lot of the times when people are launching products, they don't think about what the real problem is. You need to really just address one main issue. And that can change in your marketing. You can change up the ads, you can change up the one main issue, but make it easy for someone to understand and digest what problem you're solving. That's really important. Okay, guys. And then you can have all of your sub benefits in here. Not a bargain, store prices, but a bargain for your kids' health. Now, this is so smart because they're saying, hey, is it the cheapest thing in the world? No, but only because they use the best ingredients. It's a little bit more expensive, but would you be comfortable paying for something that wasn't using the best? Right, so they're already pre-framing you because it's going to be a more expensive price. This takes me to, why aren't they sending traffic directly to this page? Okay, why aren't they sending? This is their Shopify store, by the way. They're not really sending their traffic directly here. Okay, and why aren't they doing that? It's because if they didn't tell someone that, hey, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but because we're using the best ingredients, it's telling someone that, hey, you must have noticed that kids with sensory issues, they're not going to take this, okay? If they didn't educate someone, first, they wouldn't have purchased, okay? That's why creating a custom landing page or custom e-commerce funnel is so important, okay, guys? I get into this a lot more deeper inside my free masterclass, okay? Click that first link down below. Sign up for the masterclass. I talk about this concept of using a landing page, a bridge page, a pre-framing page, a lot more inside. So make sure that you go ahead and watch it and take advantage of that. Okay, let's continue. Guaranteed to be your kid's favorite multivitamin because, hey, kids can be picky. We know your kids are going to love the vitamins because there's a slight chance they're onto us. Okay, so what they're also saying is, hey, if they notice, it's still going to be really, really good. So they've covered all of the basics, and then they've gone and said, hey, how old is your kid? And there are 2 choices, 1 to 3 or 4+. Okay, then you go to the 1 to 3. And then over here as well, they've not really sent to their Shopify page. They've created a custom page. How many do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, because they're doing order break quantities. It's crazy to me that a business that's doing $300,000 a week is using a fake scarcity timer, because this offer is not going to expire in an hour, but they're doing it. It is what it is. Okay, what else? Key benefits, ingredients, supplement facts, all of that's in here. 5 reasons why toddlers love it. Smart choice for you and your child. Developed by people in Harvard? I hope so. Happy parent guarantee, frequently asked questions. Great stuff. I feel like the marketing from here to here is absolutely amazing. And I want you guys to consider creating a 5 reasons why page for your dropshipping product, and also make sure that you position it around one big problem versus trying to be a jack of all trades. Position it around one big problem. If you just do these two things, your conversion rates will skyrocket. Okay, let's go ahead and check out their ads. When I look at ads, I look at the most recent, and then I also look at the most recent, and I look at the ones that have been running for the longest time. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. By the way, they're running ads from a bunch of different pages. Okay, they've paired up with influencers, other pages. They're not running all their traffic from their page. Okay, this is a business that's doing 300K in a week. Okay, so they're gonna need to do all of this. Okay, let's look at this ad. All right, my kids eat all day, but why are they still deficient? Most kids are missing multivitamins. It's essential for energy, development, everything, right? So if you're having trouble focusing and having tantrums, they're missing their essential nutrients, tried every vitamin, child is refusing, and some are packed with artificial junk, right? On these gummies, which is, guys, by the way, the multivitamin gummy industry is a $1 billion industry, right? For kids. And the way that this company is taking shots at that is so amazing. They're saying, hey, don't give them all this sugar-filled junk, okay? It's important. This is unflavored multivitamins, okay? You put it on the mac and cheese, you mix it, and he eats it without knowing it. It's so, so, so good. If you can go ahead, find the supplier and model this, this is literally a gold mine product. Like, it's a gold mine product, okay? Flavorless, 19 essential vitamins. Just mix it in the ketchup. Mix it in the ketchup. Eat it in the nuggets. And then in a few weeks, you have more energy, fewer meltdowns, wasn't as sick. Even his teacher noticed. I wish I found this one. A great ad. Great ad. Let's take a look at some more, huh? Okay, so let's take a look at some other ads. Look at this. Autism mom's favorite multivitamin. Perfect. Developed with pediatric dietitians with the pickiest eaters in mind. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's the supplement plus Nutella. So they're reviewing it. They're adding it to Nutella, and then they're giving them Nutella, and they're going to eat this chocolate anyways. Might as well give them a spoon of multivitamin with it. That's crazy, man. What a niche. Okay, I really want to see these marketings. Like, what is this? Like, I keep seeing this. Autism mom's favorite multivitamin. 19, 15, 0 flavor color, 31% off. Dude, what an ad. What an ad. Guys, this is some real stuff, man. This is where these are the type of businesses, because think about like a bullseye, and they've hit the bullseye so hard, where I think personally, even bad marketing could sell a good product, right? This is such a good product. Even really bad marketing can sell it. Okay, I want to go all the way back. I want to see some older ads that they've launched. The thing is, there's so many that Facebook won't let me go all the way back. And they're running so many that I'm just in June, right? Maybe what I'm going to do is look at some of the active ads before we call it, okay? Hold on, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the active ads and see all the way down. I want to see maybe some other ad angles that they were doing, exploring some of their other stuff. Look at the number of ads is just outrageous number of ads. Of course, they're doing 300K a freaking week, right? Look at this. For sensitive kids, no sugar, no texture, and essential. And put it in a milkshake, right? Tired of daily multivitamin battle? It's over. Eat your veggies or have a chocolate shake. This is crazy. All right, let's review this ad and then call it. No more tears or tantrums. What finally helped my son's bad behavior. This is diabolical. This is actually like kind of diabolical. If you told a parent that you would take your kid from fighting to a straight A student, and that's the promise, and all you got to do is mix a powder. Like, can you imagine like what's going on, right? Out of control. Now he's bringing in character rewards because of the multivitamin deficiency is gone. Just mix it in the OJ. They love OJ anyways. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, this is definitely a gold mine product. How do you launch it? Well, obviously, once you have the supplier in place, all you would do is go to shopfunnels.net, go to one of the templates, right? Go to the funnels, pre-built. We have dropshipping stores just like this. I mean, this is very, very similar. It's a 5 reasons why page. You would just start with this funnel, swap out the images and text, click shop now, go to the next page, and then put in your product details and obviously start selling your product. We don't just have this template. We have hundreds of others that you can use across different themes, right? But this is the type of funnels that you need to be able to sell. Additionally, guys, anybody looking for some one-on-one help, if you want me to work with you on crafting your offer, if you want to talk to me about this, you want me to basically help you, design your offer, create your landing pages, or, even create your ads, right? Go ahead, hit that third link in the bio, in the description, and join my elite program. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love finding new business like this. Make sure you like the video, comment down below if you thought this business was cool, and be sure to subscribe because we share business like this every single week. Thank you.